Hey everybody, Jizz, it's me, the most beautiful transgender baby in the world. Now, I know I look like shit right now, okay? We get it. Don't tell me. I am a fucking boy and I look like a boy, okay? But anyway, here they have these like chips that are on sale. And yesterday I had made some bomb ass dip. I call it Nana's dip. And it was so delicious. And I thought, it's so selfish of me to not share this delicious ass recipe with y'all. So I already had bought some dip powder the other day from Walmart. Here is what you would get. I think I might get one more just in case. You can get green onion. You would need one of these. 16 ounce of sour cream. You can get fat free if you want, whatever. 16 ounce of cottage cheese. Like I said, you can get fat free. When it comes to the sour cream and cottage cheese, you basically just want to do 1 and 1. You're also going to need Ortega diced green chilies, or you can get any brand of diced chilies. For the cottage cheese and the sour cream, I would get 2, the ones that I got. So get 2 of these. I like hot, so get hot. Or if you're a little bitch and you don't like to eat hot food, then get mild. 16 ounce sour cream, 16 ounce cottage cheese, 2 cans of diced green chilies, 4 ounces each, then 1 pack of Hidden Valley Ranch. And you mix it all up and grab. Delicious. What you're gonna do is put it in the refrigerator for like an hour or 2. Overnight would be the best, but since I'm fat and I can't wait, I put it in for like maybe 2 hours. And they're best to eat with like Frito scoops or Doritos. Doritos are the best to eat them with. I love them. They taste good with Cool Ranch, regular cheese Doritos, and pretty much any Dorito. They're so freaking good. But that's all you need. Delicious. You could even dip your pizza crust in there. What do you think about the dip, girl? It's so good. I just wanted to share this little recipe with my friends. Okay, love you, bye.